So hello viewers, welcome to the lecture on driver assistance system and telematics. So today we are going to see what is telematics and how it is used in the driver assistance system. So it is a part of the lecture series of intelligent vehicle technology. Let us move into the lecture. So what do you mean by telematics? Telematics is a information that is provided inside the vehicle about uh, the safety features, right? So it covers, you can see in the slide, telematics with adaptive driver assist system, right? It covers components such as core components, safety feature, right? Functions of the system, real-time tracking, vehicle to vehicle communication, vehicle to infrastructure communication, and vehicle to roadside communication, everything, right? It is a one of the thing that is used in the automotive. So this telematics, right? The introduction. So telematics integrates the telecommunication and informatics. So telecommunication means the communication between the driver and the vehicle, right? And also the informations that are fetched from the GPS, right? So this informatics such as traffic information, right? The vehicle's information all are displayed over the display unit of the vehicle, right? So this way this telematics can be capable of transmitting and receiving and also storing of the data, right? So this is used in the modern vehicles, right? So this adaptive driver assist system, right, or advanced driver assist system, which means it is an electronic system that assists the drivers during driving and parking. So it is designed for the safety, efficiency and comfort of the modern vehicles, right? So this telematics enhances the ADAS by enabling the remote diagnostic, real-time alerts, right? Location aware responses and cloud-based analytics. So core components of the telematics includes sensors which are used to identify the data from the environment, right? The sensors may be a camera, radar, lidar and ultrasonic sensors together with the GPS. Next is the communication. The communication, which means that is the key factor for the telematics, right? So this communication may be a data that is a 4G or a 5G. So which enables the vehicle to communicate with the vehicle to vehicle or vehicle to infrastructure or vehicle to roadside, right? So through the data exchange, right, through a cloud based server. And the processing unit here is the ECU and TCU. We already know ECU stands for electronic control unit, whereas TCU stands for telematics control unit. So they analyze data for decision making. And cloud backend, right? So this is the very important thing which helps the vehicle to store data in the cloud server, right? So the data can be of the driving data, the GPS data, and the driver data. So everything will be stored in the cloud, right? So this cloud also stores the vehicle's data, as well as this cloud backend is having the OTA updates. It is very much essential because OTA means over the air or on the air updates, because these updates are nowadays very much important for the software upgradation. If the software is not upgraded, then the system will not function to the modern or the recent tech, right? So I will tell you an example. Our mobile phone itself, Android or iOS, if you see, frequently it asks for the software updation, right? That is called OTA. That is the on the air update, right? And there is a another component in the telematics, that is user interface. So this user interface is nothing but the data that is displayed, right? It consists of a display unit and a microphone for voice alert and a smart phone apps for the driver feedback. So this telematics safety features include automotive emergency call, that is SOS, and remote vehicle health monitoring. Yes, I already told you the vehicle's data is stored in the cloud and it can be accessed, right? So for example, you can see the Rolls-Royce, right? They not only manufacture vehicles, they also manufacture aircrafts. So those data are stored, the sensor data are stored, and if any system malfunctions, that data can be used by the manufacturer. And also this telematics safety feature, one of the safety feature is driver behavior monitoring. For example, now in the modern vehicles, you can see these vehicles are powered with the mobile app, right, in a subscription way. So these apps stores the data. For example, how many times in a trip the driver brakes harshly, and what is the top speed and what is the average speed, and how the vehicle is accessed by the driver. So this behavior is also wanted by the system, right? And the last important factor, the safety feature, is the theft alert and tracking, right? So this theft alert and tracking can be a GPS tracking, right? So the ignition can be blocked if the vehicle is theft, or the driver is not able to access the vehicle. Then the theft alert, there is a software, so that through the software or the subscription way, the driver can use the app and mobile app feature, and they can control the vehicle, right? So that can be possible. So these are the safety features that are available in the telematics. So these telematics are powered with ADAS function. You can see ACC stands for Adaptive Cruise Control. It is used for speed limits and real traffic patterns. LKA is a lane keep assist and traffic sign recognition and driver drowsiness detection. So the all these things are nowadays powered in the modern vehicles. So here this real-time tracking can also be used for the fleet, right? So the transportation, that cargo trucks that can be tracked by the owners by tracking the location, speed, everything. You can see the slide. So these are the data that can be used by for the tracking, as well as the technology. If you see GPS, the telematic gateway transmission and protocols, they are the technologies that are used for this tracking and control. So you can see the more different communication that I already discussed. That is vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure, vehicle to pedestrian, and vehicle to network. So these can be possible in the vehicles nowadays. So this cloud-based ADAS service, you can see the cloud storage. The data is uploaded and analyzed in the cloud for insight. Yes, over-the-air updates, predictive analysis for risky behavior or failing components before critical failure occurs, and crowdsourced mapping. Yes, that can also be possible in this telematics. So the risks here are the security risks that are because of the hackers, right? GPS spoofing and data leaks can be possible here, and security measures that can be taken are end-to-end encryption, firewall and intrusion detection that can be taken as a remedial measure for the privacy in telematics used in the ADAS. So that's it about the presentation, and let's meet in another lecture. Thank you.